Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review of the comparison of the iTel Smartwatch Fit O20 compared with the iTel Smartwatch Storm Plus O15. So this is the part 2 of the video or the smartwatch comparison. So we already have more than 10 minutes or 8 minutes of video, so we decided to have a second video so that it will be easy for you to check on the difference between these two smartwatches. On this video, we are going to focus on the menus and feature comparison. So if you are interested to see what is the difference when it comes to the offered menus and features, watch this video. And again, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and compare the menus and features of the iTel Smartwatch Fit O20 versus the iTel Smartwatch Storm Plus O15. So this is the O15. So this is the O15 and this is the O20. So let's start. On top we have the settings here and other options, but as you can see here, the O15 do have a much better design here, much better UI. Display, screen time, let's increase it to 30. Yes, how about this one? Low power mode, display, the sleep, let's increase it to 20. The brightness, they have the same brightness, I think, full brightness here. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. So bigger text, much sharper text for our O20 compared to the O15, and it's more organized, as you can see here. The layout is good, compared to our Storm Plus. But what are the details? So I think I like the O20. The layout here and the UI is much better compared to our O15. Going back. Then here on the left side we have the split screen. We have the menus. On the right side we have the widgets. So you can add your own widgets here, as you can see. Let's see with the O15. I think more options when it comes to adding widgets for our O15 compared to O20, as you can see here. Going back. Let's put this aside. Let's go to the main menu. Press the power button here for our O15, swipe for our O20. So we have activity tracking, Bluetooth call. We have the heart rate. So where's our heart rate here? We have the sleep monitoring. We have the exercise, data, workout. So these are the list of workout for our O15. I think it is somewhat limited. So these are the sports functions. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. For our O20, let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have swimming here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there's a lot of options here for sports functions when it comes to the O20. So these are the categories. Comprehensive sports functions for the O20 compared with our Storm Plus, okay, which is limited only to I think 9. Okay, heart rate, what else? Aside from that, I think they almost have the same features except for the sports. We have relaxation, AI voice. I think we also have an AI voice here. We have breathing guide, sleep. So where's our AI voice? Here, we have voice assistant. We have calculator. Do we have a calculator here? Yes, we have a calculator. We have a calendar. Do we have a calendar? Let's see. Player, shutter. Okay, so we don't have, I think we don't have a calendar for our O20. Alarm, find phone. Yep, we don't have a calendar options. Okay, it is missing. Settings, menu style, we almost have the same options here. QR code, set time, system, set time, about. As you can see here, we don't have an option to set the time for our O20. Unlike our O15, we do have an option to set the time manually. You don't need to pair it with the support app just to adjust the time. For our Fit O20, seems like we don't have that option. Let's check, double check. This drop, vibrate and ring. As you can see here, we don't have the option for the adjustment of time manually. Okay, if you want to adjust the time, you really have to pair it with the support app. Okay, so we almost have the same feature, I think, except for the sports functions. The iTel O20 do have a comprehensive list of sports functions, but we don't have the calendar feature here. We don't have that. What else is missing? Okay, we don't have a split screen, but we have a calculator here. Okay, so I think that's the difference. Okay, and of course the screen display is much better for the O20, much wider screen display and better layout for the notifications. Okay, again the difference: comprehensive list of sports functions for the O20 and better layout for the notifications. For our Storm Plus, it has a calendar and adjustment of time manually. You don't need to connect it with a support app just to adjust the time. Plus, okay, for our O20, we do have an AI powered watch face, which is not available here in the Storm Plus, even if you connect it with a support app. Okay, so that's it for the difference between the iTel Smartwatch Fit O20 compared with the Smartwatch Storm Ultra O15. So which do you think is better in terms of offered features? Drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.